To use Tinkercad for creating 3D models, in your Google search, enter Tinkercad. So you can see the result www.tinkercad.com. Click on that. And there will be two options on the right, login and sign up. So you have to create an account, so click sign up. So to create a personal account, create a personal account. And you can use this Tinkercad by using sign up with email option, or you can create with Google account, that is your Gmail. Click on sign in with Google. So click your email account. Click your email account. So it asks, Google will ask you to give permission. Click on continue. So you can select the country like India and select the month and year. Click on next. Click on continue. So this is how your Tinkercad user interface looks like. So there will be 3D designs, circuits, code blocks. There are many options to explore. And now for our case, to create our first 3D model, we'll click here, create your first 3D design. So once it is created, it will open up this window. So you can see on the left there are options to click zoom in, zoom out, getting to the home, and you can click on the right click of your mouse and create a orientation. Click and scroll. You can see the orientation. Click on top and you can click on front. So different orientations or views can be made. So everything will be in the millimeters, and here you can see you can import 3D models, export, and there are basic shapes, there are complex shapes, letters, design stages, there are some design status which you can use. These are all options which you can explore. So as of now, we'll take a box, a square block. So this block, you can see, you can click on top, you can see top view, and you can click front, it's a front view. Now click here and you can drag anywhere. So ideally you have to keep on the center, and you can click on this point and you can lift and click on front view and click this and drag upwards for your desired length. Say for me, I will keep it 15 millimeters. So now you can see, click on the mouse, right click, and you can scroll mouse. Now you can select different shapes and create and design. So these are the nodes which you can select and drag, or you can give the dimension in millimeters. So let's do simple model. So this is the model which is having 20 mm width, and what is the height, you can select here, and you can see it is 15 millimeters. So simple model, we'll export, click on export. These are the standard .stl is very commonly used 3D printing option. Click on .stl. So your model has been exported. So now let's use slicer for slicing this square block and print in our 3D printer. You can print anything in your 3D printer by creating from this Tinkercad. Now let's go to Google again. Type Ender-3 software and Ender-3 download center will appear. Click on that. So you can see the Creality Print software. There will be Mac OS, Linux. You can select Windows and click on download. So the software is getting downloaded. So you can see here. Your files. Here is a downloaded file of that software. Double click on S, click on next, click on I agree, click on next, click on install. So you can see the software is getting installing. So installation completed. So click on next. So you can either select this or you can launch later. So let's launch now. So your software is being launched. So once the software is launched, you can see this view. So on the left corner there will be presets which you can use. So you can select your 3D printer. So in the Ender series, so ours is Creality Ender-3. So you can select Creality version 4, Creality Ender-5, Creality Ender-3. So select this, click on confirm. Now click on file, import. So now go to your file location. So this is the file which we saved. We have not named, but anyway, this is the file. Click on open. So you can see the square block which you downloaded from Tinkercad. So you can name specifically like square block, anything like that for your reference. So there will be so many options. So we have to slice this to layer by layer so that the 3D printer is going to print. So right now it is continuous, a single model. So on the bottom you can see slice plate, slice all. Click on slice all. So it is now sliced. You can see the time 8 minutes 25 seconds it is going to take for printing, and it shows the nozzle, everything, the printing time, filament length, everything. This is the simulation. It starts printing like this. These are the basic options on the right side which you can keep by default settings. Now to generate the G code, you can click on export G code. So go to desired folder, square block, and save as type G code file. Click on save. So you can see, click on here, you can see your file. Here you can see the type, project code, square block. So now go again, you can see your 3D model layer by layer, it is sliced and now ready to be used for printing. So copy this, click on copy and paste it in your memory card that is given along with the 3D printer.
So hello everyone, so this is a 3D printer which you are looking at it. So this 3D printer consists of filament loader and filament holder, and there is a LED display. In this display you can see whether you can how to import everything you can see. So you can come closer a little. So here you can see this is a display where it shows all the information so regarding the 3D printer. So you can see here Ender, everything is available, and also it is showing Ender-3 is ready. So this printer is right now ready to work. So let's see how to work. So first of all, first you can see this is connected with a cable here, and here is a memory card and USB connector. Okay, so this slot is available, so where you can insert the memory card.
So now here let's import some 3D models. Click on this, open. So now you can see this 3D model. So now what we can do, we can simply click slice all, hitting OK. So now you can see this has been sliced, so you can see the simulation. Okay, so let's see the simulation. This is how it is going to print. Okay, alright. So now let's click on export G-code. So you can name kitten same name, click on save. So your G-code file has been saved. Okay, so this is our file. So this you have to copy and paste in your memory card. Okay,
so now we will see how to enable 3D model. Okay, here is a memory card which we need to insert here in the slot. So it's a memory card slot, so you have to push. So you can see a tick once you push. So after that, so now what you have to do, so in the Ender display you have to click this button. So once you click, you can rotate this knob. Okay, so once you rotate this knob, you can see there are many options. So there is one option called print from TF card. It's a memory card. So click center. You can see all the 3D models visible. So when we have done the conversion from STL to G code by using a slicer from this same Creality Ender software, so we have to load that into this memory card. That step you can see in the first video, and in this video we will see these are the 3D model available. So what we will do, we will select this. Can you see here? So it will be showing the name of the 3D model with end.g code. It's a code. So now what we will do, we will click center button, push button. Now you can see it is asking start. So now you can see this 3D printer is getting heat. Okay, so this filament has to be connected. So there will be one filament given to you. This is one filament. Okay, so along with this filament bobbin, so in this side you can see here, and you have to push, and here you can see it has been inserted here also. Okay, so as 3D printer start printing, so it will pull the filament inside. Now extruder is heating. So now you can see it is 201 degree. So now the 3D printer is aligning its position. So you can see it's aligning its position.